What is going on, YouTube world? Austin Zay back here with another YouTube video. In this video, I'm gonna kind of walk you through a fix and flip project that we're doing. As you can tell, we're here. We got a big dumpster out here. We just actually emptied the dumpster. Okay, we threw away a bunch of trash. And now we're actually filming a kind of a reality TV show, actually. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. I've got a couple of videographers and stuff in here, but I'm gonna break down kind of, you know, just kind of what we're doing with this fix and flip project. Okay, so if you've ever wanted to get into real estate, you know, you've wanted to wholesale, you've wanted to fix and flip real estate, you know, you've wanted to, you know, buy rental properties, whatever, kind of break down the numbers for you, kind of what we're gonna do on this particular project, and I hope you enjoy.
For you.
Yeah.
So I have a client who's looking at, like, she likes this $1.5 million house and she's out of state. So I told her I'd get her a video tour. That's why I called Matt.
Oh yeah.
What are your thoughts? Like, do you think I should do a Matterport tour of it for them or just go through with my phone?
I would just go through with your phone.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
I don't
really
just
good,
don't
like-
know.
Yeah.
Yeah, like,
Because Matterport, like $500 to maybe not do it. You know what I mean?
I mean, Matt would probably do it for cheap for you, obviously. But I mean, I think honestly, a video is better than Matterport. I'm doing Matterport for my YouTube channel. Is the only reason I'm doing it.
Yeah.
So I can like show them
I
like
just
before.
don't know like what
your phone.
what that level of client like usually would expect. You know what
Do
I
you
mean?
know them?
Yeah.
You do. Do you, I mean, how are they like? You know, are they like very? Are they
No,
particular?
they're not like super
Really?
like bougie. You know what I mean?
I would just use your phone.
Okay.
Turn it sideways. You know.
Yeah.
Like horizontal.
Okay.
And just like
Do
walk
they
through
usually like ask for like the agents ask for like a pre-qual if I want to go through the home?
it without them. So it depends on the agent. Yeah, anything over $1 million, agents get weird on you. They either want to be there while you're there, or they'll ask for a pre-qual.
Oh, okay.
A lot of time, but it does depend on the
They're
agent.
working on it, but I trust them enough. Like,
I think, yeah, I would just talk to the agent. Typically, you can just say, hey, like, you know, like what I would say is just I'm to them.
okay.
And then hopefully the agent will just let you go without the agent wanting to be there. Because a lot of times the agent wants to meet you there. It's a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
And they just,
Okay.
you know.
All right.
So, yeah, let me know how it goes. But yeah, I would just use your phone. Well, the nice thing if you use your phone is you can point different things out. It's like audio. Like when you're walking
right.
through, you can be like, hey, look at this dang thing.
Here we go, man.
Wow.
Oh man.
A little beat up, huh?
I mean, the first thing I'm seeing, man, is the height of this ceiling.
It's a little low.
You know what I mean? Like I'm dang near
7 feet.
hitting the.
wall right here.
Yeah.
It's like a 70s horror film.
Little 7-foot
Vibes.
ceilings.
Oh.
You know, we might have to make this
Knock this all
raise
out.
that up.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
Kind of be the same level
Raise the
here.
ceilings over there.
Move the ducting work.
Move the
You know?
ducting. Have the ducting drop down.
This is
Definitely get rid of this soffit.
Yep, for sure. Yeah, for sure, get rid of the soffit. Knock out the kitchen, knock out the wall.
Yep.
I'll keep these counters.
But I will say, once you open this up,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
because if you think about that, like kind of just from right here, you walk in, the ceilings are higher.
Yep.
This whole wall's blown out. That's a really nice open concept.
Yeah, it really could be. Reconfigure the kitchen probably a little bit.
Yeah, make like an island
Do an
instead of
island.
the cutout.
Cool.
You know what I'm saying? So he's like, yeah, just don't have to redo anything. So we just
Okay.
bust this out.
So we'll knock all that out. And then, when did he give you a confirmed, like,
I didn't ask him.
Okay,
He's coming on.
no worries, no
We
worries.
could just do this. Get
Maybe
our
we
shots.
just come here for a few hours over the next few days,
Yeah.
and like whatever they're doing, like even if they're like halfway, like it's just
Right.
like we'll just kind of like
Check in.
yeah, get some footage, you know what I mean? Do some demo, you know.
Are you guys wanting to do Sledgehammer today?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think we're already out here. We'll go buy a sledgehammer real quick. All right, we're gonna go into this property right now, like I was saying a minute ago, and we are going to demo the property. As you can see here, we have our handy dandy sledgehammer. Just went to Ace Hardware to buy this freaking thing. We're balling on a budget because we both left our credit cards and our wallets at home. So we just happen to have like $25 on us with a little bit of like a couple of quarters so we could pay for tax. And we're gonna go freaking demo the property. Alright, you ready? You want a little action?
Burn some calories.
Yeah, definitely burns some damn calories. I'll tell you what. You have a heart attack out here. It's like 100 and some odd degrees Fahrenheit. So get back to the office, you know. Typical day in the life as a real estate investor. Go back to the office and find our next deal, you know what I mean?